Welcome back to my channel, guys. My name is Ritu and my channel's name is Ritu's Rainbow World. So if you have been following me for a little while, you already know what my channel is about, but just in case you're watching this video for the first time, then do take a moment to follow me on Instagram and Facebook. All the handles will be mentioned in the description box, and let me just adjust this. Okay, so as you all know from the description of the video is going to be about mini Misho haul. I know nowadays you guys are loving my Misho haul, and I just ordered like a few products here and there, and I thought why not to sit down and film with you guys, because there are not lot of products, but there are very minimalistic products that I got from Misho, and they were so fab that I can't wait filming them, to be honest. So without further ado, let's just get into the video. And before we get into the video, do take a moment to please subscribe to my channel, like this video if this video is a little helpful, and please follow me on Instagram and Facebook, because lot of people, if you don't get notification in YouTube, then definitely there are a lot of notifications of my channel in Instagram and Facebook, so it will be well notified about it. Without further ado, let's just begin with the video. So the first thing first, what the emoji cushions which are lying at the back. There are 5 cushions. One is in my bedroom, so I'm not just gonna get that, but that was a kiss wala emoji. So these are the emoji beautiful cushions that I got. They are supremely good quality. I think these are washable. I am not sure, but I'm just gonna clean them with the wet cloths. So this is a beautiful. I got 5 of them, and everything come with a beautiful transparent pack where you can actually store them. So yeah, I got this product from them, and this is my favorite product out of every. So I got 4 of them. One is this one, the other one is like wearing the specs, and these 2 are this thing. So these is something. The overall 5 cushions, they were for 269, which was super affordable, guys. So I thought why not to get my hands on all of them, because this is my lovely. I wanted them for a very long time, but I couldn't get my hands on, so finally I got them. That was my first product. The second product is a little bit of jewelry. So I got this beautiful boho bracelet from Misho. So this is a beautiful bracelet, such a beautiful piece that you can wear this with kurti, you can wear this with sari. I did the Amazon haul, so all the swatches are there. So yeah, it's a very beautiful thing, and let me give you a real close pic of it. It is something like this. It's little thick, broader here, and then as they go, this is very beautiful. I don't think camera is justifying the product. So the product somewhere looks like this. Very beautiful, guys. I can't tell you how the detailing and everything is. The detailing is super good at the back. This is this, and the way it opens is also different. So that's how this is. It's a beautiful one. Okay, and the next, so the price point of this product is super affordable, guys. I think this was for I've included a video clip of how actually it looks like when it comes closer. It actually looks beautiful. This was for like 200 change, 299 or something, which was again a very good. The next product that I got from Misho is another beautiful earrings, and that is also oxidized earring. Oh, where did I keep it? It's a beautiful long oxidized earring. Okay, before I show that, I'm just gonna show one more. So I got this beautiful earring. It's a crystal, kind of crystal earring, and looks just fab. It's just look fab. Can you guys see how beautiful this earring is? I really love this. When you actually wear this, it looks absolutely stunning, by the way. So it looks this, and it looks super classy. So this was also for like 150 or something, which was super affordable. I am trying to figure out where did I keep that beautiful earring. I'm just gonna go and get that for you guys. The next product is this pretty earring. It came in such packaging. It was beautifully bubble wrapped, so everything was really super good. But let me just show you how this beautiful earring is. So this is a beautiful long earring. If I can show you right, this is how it is, a beautiful long earring. I will show you in the back camera how it looks like. This is how the beautiful earrings look like. It's a very beautiful boho kind of look. It's a little length, but the detailing and the work is so pretty that I am really obsessed with this earring. This is such a pretty piece. It was a beautiful earring that I actually showed you the video clipping. This retailed me around like 200 rupees, which was again super affordable because, like guys, oxidized earring with this much of length, which is really exclusive, is something which I really appreciate, and I really like the design of this. Next thing, I got this one beautiful storage kind of essential. Now I have got this beautiful this is a kind of a tin box. It's a tin box, guys. I got this particular tin box. It's a set of 3, so I've stored a lot of jewelries in this. Now these jewelries are not from Meesho, so I am not just gonna show you the jewelry, but if you really wanted to check out my jewelry collection, then definitely I will make a separate video of that where I will include all the jewelry pieces that I have. So it comes in a set of 3 boxes. So this is the first one, this is the second one, and I will show you the smaller one. So I have stored a lot of products in here. Yeah, I've stored really a lot of products. So the next is a miniature one. So this is a beautiful miniature one. This is a miniature one, so this is a smaller one, and then comes this one, and then come the bigger one. So this is a storage one, and I got it for like 200 change, 299, which was again super affordable, and I really love this. So this was a small mini Miniso haul, because I keep on purchasing the products here and there which I find interesting and very good and very utilizing from Miniso. So I just shared this beautiful mini Miniso haul. I hope this video was a little helpful. I will try and give you the code links, because mostly the products of Miniso are like out of stock, so I'm not sure if I can give, but I will definitely mention the code in the description box so that you guys can check that out. And that's pretty much for today's video. I will definitely see you in the next video. Till then, take care, take a very good care of yourself, and yeah, maintain social distancing. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye. The last thing that I got from Meesho, it is a gift, but I'm not sure. I just asked my hubby, where did you get that? He said he got it from Meesho. I'm not sure. So these are the beautiful boho earrings. Came in a very good packaging. This is Fashioning Diva. Not sure, but yeah. This is something, I will just show you how the earring looks like. Beautiful. I can't tell you how beautiful this is. It is a beautiful boho kind of thing, and I will try to show you in the back camera. So that was the last product that I got from Meesho.
Thank you so much for watching. Do take a moment to follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Do make sure that you have subscribed to my channel, and also hit the like button for more such updates. And that's pretty much. I will see you very soon with yet another video.